In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to YouTube. If you want to link your Patreon account with YouTube, the process is pretty simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside Patreon so you can make the connection smoothly and avoid confusion along the way. To get started, open Patreon and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one creator profile or use multiple browsers. Once you're inside Patreon, head over to your settings. This is where Patreon keeps most of your account level options, including connections to other platforms. After you open settings, look for the account section and tap on it. This area contains the personal and platform connection settings tied to your Patreon profile. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Layouts can change a little depending on whether you're using the mobile app, a mobile browser, or the desktop version, but the account area is the place you want. Once you're in the account section, scroll down until you find YouTube. Take your time here because this option can be easy to miss if you move too quickly through the page. When you see YouTube, tap Connect. At that point, Patreon will begin the process of linking your YouTube account. In many cases, you may be prompted to choose a Google account if you're signed into more than one, so be careful to select the YouTube account you actually want connected. It's always a good idea to double check before approving anything, especially if you have personal and creator accounts separated. If Patreon asks for permission to connect with YouTube, review the access request and continue only if everything looks right. This is a normal part of linking two platforms, and it allows Patreon to establish the connection properly. And that's really all there is to it. You open Patreon, go to settings, enter the account section, scroll down to YouTube, and tap connect. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a few moments and refresh the page if needed. A final tip, after connecting, it's worth revisiting your account settings just to confirm the YouTube connection appears as active. That quick check can save time later and help make sure everything is linked the way you intended. That's how to connect Patreon to YouTube.